If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last lesson, we discovered how to say me too in Chinese. In this lesson, we're about to learn how to say I had a nightmare. 我做了一个噩梦. I know the sentence is long. Don't let it discourage you or scare you away. Remember, if a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you, and I'm here to help. You can do this. So how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time, right? So how do you learn this sentence? One word at a time. Let's get started. First word, you are very familiar with it. 我, that means I. Second word, 做, that's a new one for you. That means make. Please repeat after me. 做, 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 做. The next word has no meaning. However, when it's after a verb, it turns the verb into a past tense. That means it's already done or finished. Please repeat after me. 了, 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 了. The next two words, 一个. Can you recognize them? That means a or an. 一个, 一个, 一个. And then the next word is a. That means evil or very bad or mean, not nice. Please repeat after me. A. 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 The last one is 梦. That means dream. Please repeat after me. 梦. 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 So all together is 我做了一个噩梦. Please repeat after me. 我做了一个噩梦. 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 One more time. 我做了一个噩梦. One more time. 我做了一个噩梦. Now let's practice what we have just learned in the conversation. You can do this. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. How about you? No, I didn't. I had a nightmare. Are you ready? Let's go. 你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好。我做了一个噩梦。Let's do it again. 你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好。我做了一个噩梦。One more time. 你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好。我做了一个噩梦。Oh my goodness, you did it! I'm so proud of you. You should be very proud too. High five! In the next class, we're going to learn how to say, "Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that," in the Chinese way. Don't forget to give me a thumb up and share this video. Better yet, subscribe. Thank you for your support. I'll see you next time.